Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Fujifilm X-20 Plus for the first time. And to do this, first we'll need to power it on, and right here we have power on and off switch, so make sure that it's on. Then we can set a different language for this device, and I'm going with English. Here, use different date and time settings. I'm gonna go with just the things that were already set, and now your device should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.